How to combine clips in Canva. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to today's video. I'll teach you guys how you can combine clips in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. First step, open up your Canva. Head over to canva.com and then you can simply head over to the project that you're working on. You can start a new project as well. All right. So after you're on the project, here you can see I have combined multiple clips, or I've just combined multiple clips of the same video, which I just cut. So just remove clips here, and we can go on with adding new. So let's say that I only have a single clip. I will remove this clip here, this as well, and finally, so let's say that I want to add more. So for that, head over to this uploads page right here. Then head over to videos. Now you can drag and drop any other video that you want. Let's say that I want to combine this clip with this dice right here. I'll select this, drag it and drop it, or simply click on it. That should be added on my page here. So if I add it like this, it actually just overlays on my already existing clip. So we don't actually want that. What we do want is to combine those. So what you'll need to do is tap on this add page option. Then it will add another page. If you just play the video, you'll notice that this page ends and this page begins. So we'll need to add this clip in this page. Tap on this clip. After you click on it, it will get added. There you can see I can change its placement, or you can change its size here. I'll just extend it bigger like this. Then here you can see if I play the video, the clips have now been combined. Now if I export this video will combined and it will play as one video. And that's basically how you combine clips in CapCut. All you have to do is add a page and then add the video in next page. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye. Take care.